Alright, so one of my friends and subscribers asked me to do this video on my views on the death penalty. Now this is an interesting subject because my views on it have evolved a lot over the years. Um, Pretty much where I am right now. I pretty much have acknowledged the Casey Anthony trial was a real eye-opener, for one. Because, it's O.J. Simpson all over again. Everyone knows she's guilty. But, the jury came right out and said, if it wasn't the death penalty being offered, if it was just life in prison, we would have found her guilty. The death penalty scared those jurors into letting a murderer walk the streets because they didn't want the chance of innocent blood on their hands. So here's my thing with the death penalty. I believe it shouldn't be completely done away with. I believe that there should be guidelines to when it's even offered. I believe that there should be a minimum of 3 eyewitnesses, at least one of which can have no relationship with the other 2, or video evidence. Those need to be required in order for the death penalty to be even on the table, so that it doesn't scare the jurors. It needs to be pretty much an open and shut case. It needs to be like, this person is freaking guilty before the trial even begins, before the death penalty is offered. Otherwise, life in prison. And as far as that goes, one of the things that I've always thought was awful is, do you know what pays for prisoners' room and board and video game playing? Taxpayers. Do you know who that includes? Taxpayers includes the victims of a crime. So one of the things I always thought was disgusting is the idea that the friends and family of a murder victim are paying taxes, and their taxes are going, even if it's just a penny of those taxes are going towards keeping the person who ruined their family or killed their friend. Their taxes are going towards keeping that person alive. That's disgusting. So another stipulation, I think, is that death penalty shouldn't even be offered unless it's an open and shut case. And the victims of violent crimes, their friends and family, they should be given tax breaks. Because it's not, I don't even think it's, like I said, even if it's just 1 penny of all the taxes they pay in their entire lifetime, that's still just disgusting. So, if they have a friend or family member who gets killed, they should not have to pay taxes, unless there can somehow be some sort of guarantee that their money is not going towards the prison system. So that's my thought on the death penalty. See you all next time.